Hey, it's Mike visiting Payam Data Recovery with owner Payam Leighton from Adelaide sent in his WD My Passport USB-C 2TB external drive. He'd been trying to back it up with Acronis for months, but it kept failing. The drive was running at 100% usage, freezing Windows Explorer, and his computer wouldn't even boot with it plugged in. He had university files and photos from 2018 he desperately needed. Payam explained these drives work fast and are affordable, but as soon as bad sectors develop or they suffer any impact, they stop detecting or freeze computers. He tested it on a Windows PC. Device Manager saw a WD USB device, but disk management showed 0 MB capacity with no partition. It's impossible to run recovery software. He tried his Atolla Insight forensic tool via USB. The drive sounded okay, but still wouldn't detect. This needed advanced intervention. Payam passed it on to Dimitri, one of his specialized technicians. Dimitri removed the PCB and soldered a SATA port to special locations on the circuit board, then connected it to their Russian Ace Labs PC3000 tools. Success! They could see all the files and folders. The drive had extensive slow reading sectors, bad sectors, and smart warnings. They performed a sector-by-sector clone to recover everything. Leighton received a file listing and video preview by email. After payment, everything was shipped back overnight at no extra charge. This is a common problem with USB external hard drives that have bad sectors. They don't need clean room work or head swaps, but they do need skilled experts who know exactly what to do. This is what Payam calls their bad sector data recovery service, something local computer shops and smaller data recovery companies simply can't handle. Thanks for watching.